Hi Playmates, welcome to Adam's Playtime. Today we'll play my bugs. Hey look at my bugs. Hey look guys, look at my bugs. I use a
Okay, show them your bugs. What's this?
It's a spider.
It's a spider?
It's a tarantula spider.
Okay. And what's the color of your tarantula spider?
It's pink and blue.
Oh, really? What does a spider eat?
She eats octopus.
Spider eats octopus? Octopuses are big and spiders are very small. So spiders eat bugs also.
And you show her.
So this is a bug.
Hey Papa, can you show it?
Sure. And can you give me more
Papa,
spiders?
Show it.
Okay.
It looks like, guys, this is the spider.
Okay. Where's your other spider?
Oh,
How many spiders you have here now?
I have 3.
Okay, can you show me more? Can you put it here? Okay.
Let's get ours is 3.
And then how many spiders now?
1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! 3 spiders.
Hey, Papa, show it. Say, these are the 3 spiders.
Yeah, these are the 3 spiders of Adam. 3 favorite spiders of Adam. Can you put the spiders there on the side?
Okay.
And what else do you want to show your friends?
I have bat.
Bat. Okay.
Hey,
It's a bat.
and the big tree. I have 2 bats.
You know, friends, bats always come out at night because during the daytime they sleep.
Hey, I have 2 bats.
Yeah. These 2 bats always sleep during the daytime because they can't see during the daytime. When they fly at night, they use their ears and their sonar senses to find their prey so that they can eat. So that's how bats live.
And what's the bat eats?
The bat eats like fruits, they eat bugs.
She eats flies.
Yeah, they eat fly also. When the fly flies in the air, the bats catch them, they will eat them. So that's how the bats live.
And the bats.
Bye-bye, little bats.
And the bats eat rice.
Really?
Papa, the bats eat rice.
Yes, they eat rice also. Okay, bye-bye, bats.
Bye-bye.
And what else you want to show them?
I have big ladybugs.
Okay, these are
Hey, look, Papa, it's a ladybug. It's a ladybird.
Oh, ladybird and ladybugs. Look at them. They have black spots on their bodies. They too can fly. Right? They can fly, right?
Hey, look, Papa.
They open their wings and
Hey, look, Papa. Look, Papa, because she happy get 8 legs.
they have 8 legs. Yeah, only 6 because this is like an insect. They have 6 legs.
Hey, look, Papa.
Bye-bye, little bugs.
And let's get a dragonfly.
Okay, so this is a dragonfly.
Papa has it.
They
Hey,
look
look,
like a
Papa.
helicopter.
Hey, look, Papa. He has Hey, look, Papa has 3 wings.
They have 4 wings.
Hey, look.
2 pairs of wings.
Hey, look, Papa. Because they have 4 wings.
They have 4 wings. How does a dragonfly fly? They fly like they flap their wings very rapidly like that. And then they perch on some grass. And they lay their eggs in the water, in the ponds, and in some
and they killed in the
puddles.
nest. And so baby baby dragonfly. This one is the mother.
Yeah, this is the mother dragonfly. That they will lay their eggs in the
And that's
water like that. And then the
No, Papa, the dragonfly see all of the eggs in the nest.
okay. Bye bye, dragonfly. What else you have?
Because I have praying mantis and grasshopper.
Okay, there is a praying mantis here and a grasshopper.
Because I see how we get red eyes and see better black.
Okay, this grasshopper, they have differences with the praying mantis. Praying mantis love to be alone. They don't want some company. They don't want other friends to be with them. And then the grasshopper loves to be with friends. They jump together with their friends like that. And then they eat fruits, they eat leaves, grass, and other vegetation. And the praying mantis loves to eat bugs. They eat bugs too, right?
Yes.
Don't open it. Okay, bye-bye, praying mantis, and bye-bye, grasshopper.
I have it.
What else do you have there?
I have to kill this and then the fly.
Okay, this fly first. Okay. This is the
See,
fly.
see
Look
bug.
Yeah. Look at that, friends. Look at that.
Hey, Papa, sit properly.
It's a fly. You will see flies everywhere, on the food, on the dirt, in the garbage, and usually most flies are dirty. Bzzz, they land on your food.
Hey, look, Papa. They beat the flying bird shit in the garden.
Yeah, in the garden also. And most flies only live 48 hours and then they will die.
And they get in the towel.
Okay, bye-bye, fly. What else you have?
Because I have ants.
Ants. This is the ant. The most
At the ant.
industrious
The
insect
Hey, look,
in the
Papa,
world.
the ant is the same is a kid. The ant is like a sheep.
It's like a...
The ant is like big art. She get our hair. She get out her food. She eat baby food.
Yeah, they usually what they do, they always find food for their queen, so that the queen will produce more ants. So this is an army ant. This army ant protects their house, protects their queen. Army ants will fight some other insects and other predators. And then they love to eat sweet and sugar and some nectars, right?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye, ants.
Okay, let's get for the big scorpion, the stag beetle.
The stag beetle first. This is a stag beetle, guys. They use their strong tusks or their horns
And they
to fight against their enemies and against their kind.
and she wanna eat.
And yeah,
She eats and make so many food.
yeah, they eat vegetables also and grass and leaves.
And
Okay, bye-bye.
bye bye, get sick.
Okay, this one is
It's a centipede.
it's a centipede. When you see centipedes like this, you need to be careful.
Be careful because you hurt your baby in the hospital.
Yeah, because the centipedes will bite you, and this is very
dangerous
dangerous and very
and poisonous.
Yeah, it's very poisonous, guys.
This is with honor. That's not time for kids. You have to bite this animal, but it's not.
So you need to get rid of this insect. What else? This one.
It's a scorpion.
This scorpion is also very
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
It's a poison.
It's a poisonous insect because this will This will sting you like that. It's like a snake, and it will irritate your skin, or sometimes it will make you.
Hurt.
It will hurt you, and it will kill
Kill.
the enemies, kill their prey.
Kill your
So
prey.
when you see scorpions like this, you need to be very careful, and you need to get rid of them. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so that's it, guys. These are the new toys of Adam. These are the insects. Take a look at them. There.
Hey, that's it, guys. See you in the next video. And please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.